you know, to see what's crack-a-lacking, see what's going on. The air conditioning unit in here is really strong. Let's see how much pickup it's. Whoa, this bad boy has some pickup. What is it, like a V85? Like, oh wow, this bad boy has some serious pickup. I just tapped the gas and the car accelerated at a crazy speed. I can't do that. I'm in the city. I have to act like I have some sense. So I'm gonna turn down the air conditioning because it seems like an entire weather pattern in here. This thing is strong. I can hear the vents coming on way in the back, which is cool. Actually cold because the air conditioning's on. I'm gonna turn the temperature up because it's getting hot in here. All right, so I'm just gonna drive this vehicle and see what it's got right here. Steering wheel, classic GMC Chevy type of steering wheel controls for this year's model, the 2017. Spacious, as you can see. A lot of headroom up there, sunroof up there. I'm just gonna drive around the block a little bit. Let me get in the other lane, the next lane. Tap on the gas. That is very impressive. You get this GMC Acadia, one thing that you will notice is how well it accelerates. It is really accelerating for me, okay? It's going above and beyond, okay? So I'm just gonna pull up here. And yeah, all right, so I'm just cruising around, just looking around. I mean, the space is something sort of ridiculous right here. I'm like looking around like, wow, it is. Look in the back, seats for what, 5 back there, it looks like. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's just 4, but it's a lot of seats back there, a whole lot of action back there, a whole lot of space back there. I'm gonna get back there a little bit and show you guys around a little bit, but meanwhile I'm just gonna look up here. The GPS system going on right here, a lot of plugs, seat heaters going on. So that's the fan blowing right there, and that's seat heater. A lot of new features in this vehicle that I'm normally used to seeing in Germanic vehicles or foreign-made vehicles, not in domestic vehicles. So I'm just gonna pull around here. That was my test drive. I'm gonna test drive a little bit later.